Introduction to MySQL. This book will assume that you are already knowledgeable about PHP. It will focus on database application on the web. The examples here will use PHP as the main language to use to access a MySQL database. Also, this will be focused on Windows operating system users. As of now, MySQL is the most popular database system by PHP programmers. Also, it is the most popular database system on the web. A few of the websites that use MySQL to store their data are Facebook, Wikipedia, and Twitter. Commonly, MySQL databases are ran on web servers. Because of that, you need to use a server-side scripting language to use it. A few of the good points of MySQL against other database systems are, it is scalable, meaning it is good to use in small or large-scale applications. Fast, easy to use, and reliable. Also, if you are already familiar with SQL, you will not have any problems in manipulating MySQL databases. Preparation. In the first part of this book, you will learn SQL or Standard Query Language. If you have a database program such as Microsoft Access installed on your computer, you can use it to practice and apply the statements you will learn. In case you do not, you have two options. Your first option is to get a hosting account package that includes MySQL and PHP. If you do not want to spend tens of dollars for a paid web hosting account, you can opt for a free one. However, be informed that most of them will impose limitations or add annoyances, such as ads into your account. Also, some of them have restrictions that will result to your account being banned once you break one of them. Your second option is to get XAMMP, a web server solution that includes Apache, MySQL, and PHP. It will turn your computer into a local web server. And with it, you can play around with your MySQL database and the PHP codes you want to experiment with. Also, it comes with PHP MyAdmin, a tool that will be discussed later in this book.